From Punjab, these are NI raids which are currently underway at several locations across the state of Punjab. In fact, we're given to understand that a travel agent living in Bhatinda district has also been raided by the NIA team. So these raids taking place in connection to a terror case. The visuals on your screens from Bhatinda, where the National Investigation Team is currently conducting raids. Let's go across to Lalit, who has more details. Lalit, tell us more about this terror case in connection to which the NI raids are underway at several locations.
Well, Samiksha, if you talk about in Punjab, in the past 2 months, there has been a series of grenade attacks on the police post. So, on which now the police and especially the NIA, the National Investigating Agency, is looking after who the module and the person behind this grenade attack. The person who is behind this grenade attack is Happy Pasia, who is abroad. But now NIA has raided a person in Bhatinda in the market, in the place called Pratap Nagar in Bhatinda. And the person, he has been linked with the immigration. Now NIA is trying to establish that whether he has links with Happy Pasia or not. So regarding that, this NIA raid is being conducted right now at his place in Bhatinda. So around 1.5 hours before, the NIA team has reached his place. And if you talk about and the inputs what Republic TV has, the raid is being conducted on the series of bomb attacks which have taken place in Punjab on the police posts in the past 2 months. So trying to find out the angle of gangster Happy Pasia, is he linked with this immigration travel agent? Back to the studio.
All right. Thank you for the moment, Lalit. For now, we shift focus to more news break that's coming in from West Bengal. Now, this is regarding the Arjikar case on the PIL that was filed by the state government in the Calcutta High Court. The latter has deferred the hearing. The next date of hearing is 27th of January. So there will be another hearing on whether the application of the West Bengal government is acceptable or not. Instructions to serve the copy to Sanjay Roy and family as well. So the PIL will be taken up on 27th of January. In fact, this application of the state government is acceptable or not will be decided on 27th of January. The CBI lawyer who was arguing in the case said that the application is not acceptable and that only CBI can challenge in this matter. Let's go across to Kishle. He's joining us from Republic Bangla newsroom. Kishle, the CBI in the Calcutta High Court says that the application that was filed by Mamata Banerjee government is not acceptable and it's only the CBI that can challenge in this regard.
Well, exactly. Very important observation by the High Court and also very important argument by the CBI. The CBI has clearly said that it is only the CBI which can apply for any kind of change in the degree of punishment and sentencing that has been given. That has been made clear by the CBI. On the other hand, the High Court has observed that whether at all the case by the state government is acceptable for hearing or not will be heard on 27th Monday. Monday is the date when the court will decide whether they will take up this case from the state government or not, and then they will decide whether the degree of punishment will be changed or it will be maintained. I'll remind the viewers that the court, the lower court had sentenced Sanjay Roy for a life sentence. And after that, the state government had moved to the High Court requesting to change the degree of punishment to capital punishment. Back to the studio.
Yes, Kishle, thank you for the moment.